Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am so thrilled to show you this amazing recipe. It is a vegan seafood recipe. We are making vegan seafood. Now, with this vegan seafood, it actually tastes like the real thing. It's like it mimics the flavors of calamari or even a shrimp. It tastes just like it, but it's plant-based. It's a brilliant idea. I don't know who created it, but it is definitely delicious, so much full of flavors. You won't even miss it. You won't miss it. You won't miss that it's not the real thing, but it's a plant-based substitution. It's delicious. Even I like it, and I'm not vegan, but I simply love it. I've been testing this out in my kitchen. I gave it to all my family members. Everyone loved it, so it's a go, and I'm here to show you. Now, the ingredients are simple. We are going to make two versions of it. So simple, so easy and delicious, you would not believe. So now let me walk you through the basic ingredients to get this started. Alright guys, now let's begin. Right here I have panko breadcrumbs. Then over here I have 1 cup of flour. And over here I have the seaweed chips. This is what's going to give it the nice seafood flavor, like a fishy flavor. This is one of the key ingredients. With this, I also have some seasoning mix. Everything is 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. I have 2 teaspoons of Obay seasoning, black pepper, Adobo, which is an all-purpose seasoning mix, but you can use whatever you want, and 2 teaspoons of dry parsley. I have some water. And then right here is the 2 ways that you can do this. These are Shiitake mushrooms. If you want, you can get really fancy and get like a biscuit or a cookie cutter and cut out the edge to mimic like calamari if you want. Well, I just kept it like that because that's fine. But over here, I ripped off the stems because these are edible, and it has like a little loopy shape to it, and it can almost mimic like a shrimp's, but you don't have to do that. Now these are palm hearts, and I'm going to show you how to prepare these palm hearts. All right, and these come in a can with its brine. You can use either or, will work wonders. So now let's begin. Okay, putting in our spices. Alright guys, so after mixing all your dry ingredients in, we want to get to these guys. These are nice seaweed chips that are going to give us that seaweed, fishy, seafood taste. And we want to crumble up all of this. Now if you want to intensify the sea taste to this, you can add 2 packets of this, or you can use a few teaspoons of fish sauce. Okay, mind you, when you buy these, make sure that these are the plain ones or the sea salt version. I mean, I would not try to get no soy flavoring or any other kind of flavoring, because you don't want to mess up the taste of the batter with this. But I got in the plain version, or the sea salt version is the best in my opinion. Alrighty, so I know it looks like a big mess, but don't you worry. So now we're going to add some water, and we're going to make a nice wet batter. Consistency should be like a thick pancake texture. You don't want it to be too loose or too thick, but just like this, actually a little bit on the thick side, because since we're not going to use any eggs to bind everything, we want to make sure that everything gets coated well in this batter. Now, it looks amazing. It smells like seafood already. And while I got this going, I'm just going to let my batter sit for 10 minutes just so that way all the flavors could be well combined. Alright guys, so right after you mix everything, you see how it looks nice and thick, and it's going to coat our vegetable seafood well. So I'm just going to heat up a pan of oil, and we're going to be right back to dip these babies in there and fry them up. So allow this to sit to marinate for about 10 minutes. By that time your oil will be nice and hot and ready to fry. While I have my oil getting nice and hot, my batter here is smelling really good. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes, and it actually smells like salt codfish fritters, if you know what that is. So it's ready to go. Now, because my batter is thick, I wanted to get a good coating on the panko breadcrumbs. So be careful you don't break apart your mushroom tops. So just be easy. I'm just going to have to do one hand wet and the other hand dry, and just flip them over just like that, and make sure it gets enough of the coating. This is going to get thick and it will coat really well. You just want to make sure it's good. Perfect. Alright, and just dab it into the breadcrumbs and turn it over with your clean hands. You're doing this, and then there you go. One side is covered and coated, and you just want to coat the other side, and it's perfect. Put it on a plate and get ready to fry these bad boys. I see you right back. 2 forks. Put them in. Alrighty guys, these look so good, and they are done. Nice and golden brown, around between 2 and 3 minutes on each side. You can tell once they're golden brown color. Now I'm going to take them out and put them on a plate filled with paper towels, and I'm going to show you how to do the palm of hearts now. Alright guys, so these babies come in a can with like a vinegary brine, and all you do is just discard the water and just rinse these off. Now you can buy them already chopped, or you can do them yourself, and be gentle because they break easily. You're going to want to do a little cylinder cuts, maybe about an inch or 2, and then if you want you can just take out the middle portion so it kind of looks like a calamari. You can still fry those. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to let nothing go to waste, or just keep them whole like that, whichever you like. Alright guys, so all of my vegan seafood is done. Now these are so crunchy. Now look at this. I mean, come on, they look so realistic. Like a calamari. Looks like I have some shrimp, but not really. I understand it doesn't have the shrimp shape, but nonetheless they taste so good. Alright guys, let's begin tasting. I cannot wait. It smells so good in here. It smells like if I've been frying up some seafood. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is crunchy, filled with so much delicious flavors. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you give this a try. This is a delicious vegan recipe. If you want to see other delicious vegan recipes, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I will have all my measurements and my ingredients listed down in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And visit me on my social media. That's where the fun is at. I post, I interact with everybody, and I love it. I love to interact with each and every one of you. So please do stop by to say hi. Try. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.